Hey everyone, and welcome back to my Thrift Finds through the Joy Serenity Hangouts. And today I have an absolute treat to share with you. It is a stunning, beautiful leather coach bag. Now, why I wanted to share this one with you, I won't have to even fix her up. I think there's literally like nothing wrong except a tiny bit of piping came off. But not a big deal whatsoever. Why I wanted to share this with you is that I got it for 21 euros. 21 euros. It feels like one of those moments where the universe just bless you because I opened up Vinted looking for something totally different and I saw this listing pop up and it was literally just like, I don't know, 3 minutes or something. I was like, what the hell? So I immediately grabbed her. She's such a stunning color. I love this colorway. She just goes so beautifully when I'm wearing like more neutral tones. Just such a stunning bag. It has a long strap, the little handles here. The interior is amazing. She's just so beautiful. And literally the only thing, like I said, is here on the piping. And there's like a little bit of dirtiness here. I'm not sure if it's gonna come off or not, and a little bit of wear here. So we're definitely gonna look into that. But like I said, it's not gonna be a massive repair because this bag is in such good condition. But she doesn't need much at all. But you know what? Let's clean her up, let's condition her, and then we'll see the final reveal. And I'll probably come back with more info because, as you know, I always research while the bags dry or moisturize or do their little thing, and that's when I get into the research and into the good stuff because I am curious what exactly this model is, since I'm of course familiar with Coach and I love their bags because they're just so durable. However, I don't know that much about like the styles and stuff, so it's gonna be really fun to research. Hey guys, our beautiful, stunning little Coach bag is done. She's been moisturized, looking absolutely perfect, and I did already wear her out, I must admit. I'm just blown away by how good like this longer strap is because it's so thin and the bag is slightly on the heavier side, so you would think it wouldn't be comfortable, but it actually is so comfortable because I went grocery shopping with her and there's a lot of like moving around and bending, and she's amazing. She's absolutely amazing. I did some research and this is a Bleecker Preston and mixed media because she does have like mostly leather, some vinyl, and I just, like I said, I'm obsessed with the colors. They are so gorgeous. They're so stunning. And based on the creed, she was released in 2013. However, what I'm most blown away by is that I found some like resale listings, some more vintage listings, and everybody's selling this particular bag for around like $150, $200. And I got her for 21 euros. What? What? A total blessing from the universe. I just know that I will be wearing this all the time. It's just such, she's such a stunning bag. Like honestly, come on. Come on. How gorgeous is this? How gorgeous is this? I'm just so excited that I have found something like this, that I was blessed enough to come across the listing in like, minutes. So I don't really have that much more to say because I'm just, on cloud nine. Such a beautiful bag, such a practical bag, and such a good one to actually wear, which I think is like always the most important thing, right? For me, like with bags, it's the functionality over everything else, and a bag that I can like do stuff with, that I can store a lot of stuff into. Just perfection. So yeah, I'm looking forward so much to life with this absolutely gorgeous Bleecker Preston Coach bag.